Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Before I start, I would like you to remind you, please like, share and subscribe my channel for new notification. Let's start.
What is a computer virus? First of all, before start virus, you must be knowing the full form. Vital information resource under seize means any important information, any important resource is under dangerous situation. Let us define a computer virus is a computer program that can copy itself and infect a computer without the permission or the knowledge of user. So what a computer virus is? It is a program only. Generally we write program like Python programming, but that is a useful program. But a computer virus is a malicious program. Now let us learn more about some malicious program. Computer worms and Trojan horses. What is computer worm? First of all, there is an interesting information. Look here. First worm developed by John Scott and John Hub at Xerox PARC. What is a worm is? Self-replicating program. And it uses a network to send the copy of itself. Sometimes it becomes the cause of network jam. And also it consumes a lot of bandwidth. Right? For example, Nimda. Nimda is one of the example of worm. Now, how a worm is different from Trojan horses. Trojan horses is again a malware that appears to be desirable, but it performs undisclosed malicious functions. It is a deceptive software. Suppose you are downloading any game. With that game, this kind of software might get downloaded in your system, and they slowly will start harming your system. They will cause slowdown of system. Different symptoms will be shown when Trojan horses are downloaded. One more important thing I want to tell about Trojan horses, that they generally do backdoor entry. Means you will not realize that you have downloaded a Trojan horse. So better be careful and have installed antivirus software. Example of Trojan horses are Jesus, Zeus and Beast. Okay. Since previous slides I was talking about malicious software. Now let us exactly define what is malicious software. Malicious software is a word which is coined from malware. Malware means mal means malicious, ware means software. So it refers to any programming that can cause harm to your computer system, not only to your computer system or a particular network that your computer is a part. So viruses, worm, Trojan horses, rootkit, all these are malicious software. Worm and Trojan horses are not viruses, but the better technical term, the correct technical term is malicious software for them. Virus is also one category of malicious software. Is this clear till this? So let us move ahead. Whenever your computer is infected with a malware or attacked by any malware, it will show some symptoms to you, and you have to be taken it seriously. What are those? Slow computer. First thing is computer becomes so slow. You will not be able to load the operating system very easily. So you ask your computer, are your operating system and programs taking a while to start up? Whenever you boot your system, whenever an application is being started, is it taking a certain time? Certain time means normal time say a little more. It required a time, but if it is taking a little more time, then the computer has become slow. It might be a reason that it has been attacked by a virus. Blue screen of death appear. BSOD. What is that? A blue color screen appears on your system and you will not be able to see any icon or anything. Lack of storage space. Your computer will frequently start showing this message. Your space is being filled. There is a lack of space, right? Lack of space is also might be that virus is filling up unnecessary spaces. Virus, or better I say malware. Suspicious modem and hardware activity. What does this mean? Your hardware, hard drives can behave improperly. Pop-ups, website, toolbar, other unwanted program you might see on your system. You are sending out spam. Okay, these are certain things that will start appearing when your computer is infected with any malware or virus.